easiest Christmas treat there is. 100 grams of plain cereal, 200 grams of white chocolate, or any chocolate that you like, but I think it works best with white chocolate. That's it. Take your white chocolate and put it in a microwave. 800 watts for 1 minute 30. Take a large bowl, put your cereal in there, and your recently melted chocolate. Take a spoon or a pot licker and give everything a real good stir. Keep on stirring until all of the cornflakes are covered in chocolate. Alright, everything is nicely mixed and starting to lump together a little bit. That's perfect, because now we just need to move on to the next step. Take a flat surface and cover it with baking paper, or in my case, aluminum foil. Take a small bit of your mixture and just plop it on there. You can take a second spoon and then just shape it into little morsels of chocolate and cornflakesy goodness. And then just continue. You can also lay them out into bars. You can do whatever you like. You can even decorate them with some sprinkles, some Christmassy cheer. You can basically do whatever you like. It's your life. I'm just gonna keep it simple. Now leave them out at room temperature until the chocolate has stiffened up. You can also put it in the fridge, but it doesn't really matter. If you can't wait, fridge. If you can't wait, just leave them. Alright, once the chocolate has set, you can just pick them up like this. Easy peasy, no lemons to squeezy. That's about it.